Yes.
Oh my God. Mr. Whisker, I've got John here. You wouldn't believe what they got up to in the classroom. Anyway, they've got to do the test and stuff, so I've got to run. I'm going to leave him to talk to you about what he's done. Be honest, and we'll catch up later, okay?
Okay, thank you, miss. All right, sit down, John. Okay, John. Now let's talk about why Mrs. Martin sent you here.
I didn't do anything wrong, sir.
You don't speak to your uncle like that. You don't speak to me like that. Now, let's talk about why did Mrs. Martin send you here?
Because she doesn't like me.
I'm sure there's a better reason than that.
Michael and I got into a fight.
God, what was it over this time?
You stole my math book. Oh, give my book. Give my book.
How do you know it was him?
Because I had some really good notes. Because Mrs. Martin told us about a test. I had some really good notes. And I showed it to him. It had to be him.
Did you ask him before fighting?
Of course I did. It was like the other day how he stole my phone. It has to be him. It had to be.
Okay, now the teacher will take you for a walk. And I'm going to go talk to Michael and Ms. Martin to see more of the story, what happened. Okay.
Oh, we want to go to Justin Bieber. I want to go to Benson Bieber. I hate Benson Bieber.
Where is your book? Where's your book? Oh, hey.
Hi, Mr. Martin. How are you?
Yeah, thank you.
Listen, do you mind if I have a word with Michael? Come on.
Right, everyone else get back to...
What happened when the principal tied everyone's shoelaces together? They went on a class trip. Don't cave.
Work, we've got a test soon.
Yeah, you know, we have to...
Michael, I need to talk to you. Come on. Let me talk to you outside.
This answer. Oh, do you know that script?
I was sitting on my table, and John came out and started talking to me, and showed me his book. I didn't need his book, so I didn't know why he was showing me.
John was away from his desk and Michael went over to it. I saw him moving something, but I couldn't see his hands.
I just saw John and Michael sneak out. What do you mean? They seemed fine. Well, I saw John and Michael together at the desk, and I just heard John say to Michael, "Leave now," and point to Michael's desk.
Jeez. I'm so sick of these kids. What are they doing? What is this even say? Ah, thanks. Who opened the blinds and the windows? Thank you. So much nicer in here.
So much
Alright, how's everyone going with their work?
Good, I need
Anyone else need any help?
Yeah.
Feeling confident?
Yeah.
Good? Okay, you ready for your test?
John and Michael weren't near each other. They haven't been near each other all period. Okay, those were all lies. John and Michael, Kate, Michelle, Melissa and I, we aren't ready for this test. We made up that Michael stole John's book, so maybe we wouldn't have to.
Excuse me.
Oh yeah, just getting just ready for the end of the day. Is everything okay?
Not quite. I spoke to the kids outside, and one of them told the truth. They all made up fake stories because they was trying to get out of doing the test.
Do you know what 7 minutes square is already? It's 8.
Unbelievable. Okay. Well, do you want to speak to me? Everybody listen up.
Justin,
Wake up. Wake up. Sit up straight.
My
Principal's
bad,
here.
But
Come
this
on.
kid's doing it.
get up. Get up.
Alright, attention
Sorry, Mr.
class.
Whisk.
Attention class. Class is almost over and we haven't taken the test. So what we're going to do, we're going to stay back after school and we're going to do the test.
Sir,
Yes.
I have netball training on.
Well, if all 6 of you didn't make up all your fake stories, things would have been done by now.
Ooh, that's so unfair.
So how did you know?
One of you's caved.
Who is that?
See what happens when you don't concentrate? Didn't work out too good for you, did it? Good deal.
This is you, T.
Hello, Kevin.
Guys, when you come together.
Thanks, sir. He's my wife. I know you'll love it.
No, John.
It's not
Alright, Kevin, listen, everyone's done now, so you can't have extra time. Give me a test. Don't know. Oh, see what happens if you don't concentrate?
Can't stop, addicted to the shindig. Chopped up, he says I'm gonna win big. Choose not the life of imitation. Distant cousin to the reservation. Defunct the pistol that you pay for. This punk the feeling that you stay for. In town, I want to be your best friend. Eastside love is living in the West End. Knocked out, but boy, you better come to. Don't die, you know the truth is some do. Go write your message on the pavement. Burn so bright, I wonder what the wave meant. White heat screaming in the jungle. Complete the motion if you stumble. Go ask the dust for any answers. Come back.
This is just a test shot. Test shot. Test shot. Test shot without the food.
Be a part of the wave.
No, not this one. It's just a test one. Yeah, you fighting.
It's younger brats.
Yeah. But you got to be horrified about, well, what are they doing?
Hey, what are you doing?
Be a part of the wave. You can't stop.
I said he took it in the background.
Yeah.